Hey there. If you've landed here, chances are you just got a traffic ticket in Texas. Don't panic. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get your ticket dismissed legally, affordably, and as painlessly as possible. Let's start with the basics. Can your ticket actually be dismissed? In Texas, not every ticket is eligible. You may be able to get your ticket dismissed if you were cited for a moving violation, like speeding or running a red light. You have a valid Texas driver's license. Your ticket was issued while you were driving a personal vehicle, not a commercial one. You haven't completed a defensive driving course for another ticket in the past 12 months. You probably won't be able to get your ticket dismissed if you were going 25 miles or more over the speed limit. You got a ticket in a construction zone with workers present. You were driving without insurance at the time you were pulled over. You failed to respond to the court by the appearance date on your ticket. If any of these apply, you may not be able to use a defensive driving course to dismiss your ticket, but it's always worth checking with the court to be sure. Now, let's talk about your options. There are three main ways to get a traffic ticket dismissed in Texas. 1. Take a Texas defensive driving course. This is the most common and court-approved method. If the court allows it, you will plead guilty or no contest, request permission to take a course, complete a 6-hour state-approved defensive driving course, and submit your certificate of completion to the court. That's it. Once the court accepts your certificate, your ticket is dismissed and it will not affect your driving record. 2. Request deferred disposition. This is like probation. The court defers judgment for a set time. Usually, it's 90 days. You agree not to get any more tickets during that period, and sometimes you'll need to complete a defensive driving course anyway. If you meet the terms, the ticket is dismissed. 3. Contest the ticket in court. You can always fight the ticket in court. This might involve hiring a lawyer, gathering evidence, and appearing before a judge. It can work, but it's a lot more time and effort, and there's no guarantee of success. If you are going the defensive driving route, make it easy on yourself. Use Traffic Safety Institute. Here's why. We're state approved by the Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation. The course is 100% online. Take it from your home on your schedule. We provide fast and free certificate delivery so you can meet your court deadline. The course is easy to use with great support if you ever need help. We've helped hundreds of Texan drivers get their tickets dismissed, and we make the process fast and stress-free. Getting a ticket isn't the end of the world. In most cases, you can get it dismissed. Just make sure you're eligible and choose the best option for your situation. Follow through by the court deadline. And if you decide to take defensive driving course to get your ticket dismissed, Traffic Safety Institute is a smart, simple choice. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give us a like and hit follow for more helpful tips. See you in the next one.